This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the battery and controller voltage match. Mismatches fry components. Once done, power off and remove the battery to eliminate surprise voltage. You need a multimeter to verify connectors and a small set of tools: Allen keys, insulated pliers, and zip ties for neat routing. Now locate the main battery/phase harness on the controller. Identify red/black power, 3 thick phase wires, and the thicker B+ and B cables. Do this carefully. Mistakes here cause damage and risk. You next connect power and motor lines, matching B+ and B exactly. This supplies the controller. Once power is set, align the 3 motor phase wires to the controller's phase outputs. Twisting or swapping them causes reverse rotation, so mark them and test direction later. Then plug in throttle, pass, brake cutoffs, and any speed or torque sensors into their labeled ports. Use the multimeter to check continuity and ensure no shorts. Tidy cables with zip ties, so nothing rubs or pulls free while riding. You finish by reinstalling the battery and powering on. Observe controller LEDs and slowly twist the throttle to confirm response. If the motor spins backward, don't panic. Power down and swap any 2-phase wires to reverse direction. That's simpler than it sounds. If nothing happens, inspect B+ and B for reversed connection, blown inline fuse, or loose connectors. Use your multimeter to confirm voltage at the controller. Make sure brakes aren't engaged and connector pins aren't corroded. These fixes solve
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.